Hi, this is John Isles and welcome to Geometer's Paradise. Today we are going to start our investigation of geometry by looking at constructions. Construction is a precise geometric drawing that shows the properties of an object or how two or more other objects are related. Now, all of our initial drawings will be made using a compass, straight edge, and a protractor. A compass, and this is a very fancy one, is used to construct circles and arcs. You might have a compass that looks more like this. The straight edge is used to draw line segments, and the protractor is used to draw precision angles. All right, let's begin by drawing a point on your paper. A point is represented by a single dot on the paper, and we name it with a capital letter. To be simple, we're just going to call it A. Now, we want to draw a second point anywhere on the paper, and we want to name it B. Okay, we're going to use our straight edge to connect A and B. So line it up very carefully and connect A to B using your straight edge. This is a line segment and we call it segment AB. Okay, now notice the bar on the top of the name. A and B are said to be collinear because they lie on the same line. If we draw a third point, C, on the line segment, then A, B, and C are said to be collinear. Now we're going to use our straight edge to extend the line in both directions. Okay. We draw arrowheads on the ends of the lines to indicate that it's infinite in both directions. That's really the difference between a line and a line segment, is that the line segment is infinite and the line segment is not, it's contained and the line is infinite. I noticed the video is moving a lot. I'm not sure what's causing that, so I apologize. Now, the names of these lines can be AB, AC, CB, or any combination of the three letters. What you want to notice here is that there are arrowheads on the top of those line segments. That's different from the name of the line segment AB. See AB here with no arrows, down here AB, AC, and CB all with arrows. All right, now I'm going to use my compass to measure the length of this line segment. I'm going to place the compass point on A, and I'm going to draw a circle. So, circles are one of the most powerful tools in all of geometry. And this is because a circle is a set of all points that are equidistant from the center of the circle. And any line segment that connects the center to a point on the circle is called a radius of the circle. All radii of any one circle are congruent to one another. So I'm going to draw a new point D down here. And I'm going to use my compass at the same setting. Now, just to show you, we're still at the same size as our first circle. I'm going to place the point on D, and I'm going to draw a new circle around D. Since circle D was drawn with the same radius as circle A, we say that these two circles are congruent. Congruent means they have the same measure. If I place a point E on the circle, and then I connect D to E using my straight edge, I've created another line segment, which is also a radius of circle D. Because circle A and circle D are congruent to one another, they were drawn with the same radius, we know that our AB and DE are also congruent to one another. In class, you will draw a variety of congruent segments in different positions and learn what it means for line segments to be reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. In our next video, we're going to learn to construct angles. This is John Isles, and thanks for watching.